We have signed an LOI with ILiAD Biotechnologies to conduct a large-scale pivotal phase 3 human challenge trial for their vaccine candidate BPZE1 for the Bordetella pertussis, which is the causative agent of whooping cough. This is an exciting new study for hVIVO and is expected to start in H2 of 2025 and will be the largest human challenge trial ever conducted by hVIVO to date. So pertussis cases have been on the increase over the past few years, and this has been trending in this way for many decades now. How ILiAD are trying to use human challenge trials for their desired outcomes is that these cases of pertussis in the field are not sufficiently high for them to facilitate a phase 3 clinical trial. As such, they have liaised with the FDA and they've agreed the use of a human challenge trial to support the licensure of BPZE1 using the accelerated drug approval pathway. This is an exciting time for hVIVO as we continue to expand our challenge agent portfolio. This will be the first time that we expand our offering into bacterial challenge models, and we're hoping that this will be the first of many to come.